Here's a question. Can Xero import QuickBooks? Can Xero import QuickBooks data? So the short answer is yes. Xero can import QuickBooks data, but it's not a direct one-click process. Migration is handled through Xero's third party official partner, which is called Jet Convert. You can find it on the Xero App Store. Basically, you can also use tools like SAS Ant, Snyder, and Transaction Pro, which transfer your chart of accounts, contacts, balances, and up to 2 years of a transaction history into a Xero. So you can use a Jet Convert, Xero's free migration partner. This is Xero's free migration partner. Basically, it converts and improves your financial data, transactions, balances, contacts from QuickBooks into a Xero. Typically, this migration will take place between 1 and 5 business days.